I feel like that SpongeBob episode where I think it was Patrick with the lashes.
Now the both of yous wait right here. I'll be back.
What's gonna happen to us?
We'll probably get 40 lashes.
Oh
It feels weird. I'm going to be trying out these magnetic lashes that I got from Amazon. We're gonna unbox her. It's got a little card. Shows you tips on how to care for them, how to use them, and how to remove them. I'm going to try this out and see if it's really worth it. Honestly, the reason why I got these is because while I do like the look of having false eyelashes, I'm not a pro with applying the glue and, you know, the lashes and everything. When I used to wear them, one eye would look perfect and the other would just like not look identical to the other eye. So this is what it looks like. I'm taking it out from the box. We've got several pairs of different lashes with different styles, from the more natural looking ones to more dramatic as you go down, as you can see. They included tweezers to apply the lashes, the magnetic eyeliner, so that after you apply and dry, these will stick to your eyes. Let's see what style I am feeling today. These really dramatic ones to see how they look on the eye. Maybe it'll be easier with tweezers. I'm just gonna sit her on top of my lash line. Clearly this is not working out. I think I'm gonna have to trim the end of it. I'm kind of afraid to do that because I don't want to ruin it. I'm going to use my fingers. It's gonna be like that. Kind of cute, right? I'm going to remove my eyeliner and then I'm going to apply this magnetic eyeliner and then we're going to add the lashes and see what they look like. So stay tuned. I'm gonna apply just the right amount of liner. I'm not gonna wing it out. I'm just going to apply it like that. And then we'll do it on the other side. Look even, right? I'm going to wait for this to dry. I'm going to add another layer and let that dry, and then after that I'm going to add the lashes. All right, I think that's enough. Now we're gonna wait for it to dry, and now it's time to apply lashes. So I'm going to start with my left eye. Wait a minute. It's definitely sticking. I feel like I need to trim these lashes, or maybe like that. Oh, it's not sticking. Well, this is the best I got right now. What do you think? That's just one eye. Now let's do the other eye. I personally don't like wearing lashes like this because, I don't know, I feel like it's not my style. I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. Ta-da! I think this is how the final look should be. Maybe I just need to move it up. Ah! It's like pulling on my lashes. I have some of the eyeliner stuck on my actual lash. It feels weird. I feel like it's poking my eye. What do you think? I feel like a doll with these lashes. I don't even know if I applied it right. Yeah, I don't think I did because the corners are sticking up. Yeah, I think these are nice. I don't know if they're windproof. These are definitely nice for a night out or a photo shoot. What do you think? Do you get magnetic lashes or stick to the regular falsies? I feel like that SpongeBob episode where I think it was Patrick with the lashes.
Now the both of yous wait right here. I'll be back.
What's gonna happen to us?
We'll probably get 40 lashes.
Oh
I think it's cute. I think I just need more practice. With practice, I think it will look good. This is the best I got, guys, okay? Maybe I should start wearing lashes again. Definitely make my eyes look bigger, open. It keeps falling. I think it's because I kept messing with the glue and just fixing it. Yeah. Definitely need to work on the skills. But overall, I think these are pretty good. I think if I master the application, I think it will be a winner. Yes. Falling off. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any recommendations of any lashes, let me know in the comments below. I'll check them out. I'm interested in the manhwa lashes or the manga lashes. I think those are more my style. These aren't bad. Ah, they keep sticking.